G'day guys, Greg here. Well, check out my new kitchen toy. It's an air fryer. And I tell you what, ever since I got this thing, I've hardly used anything else in the kitchen. It's my new favourite thing to use. And today I'm going to show you how to make your own French fries at home in the air fryer. It's so easy and it only takes like 25 minutes. So let's make some healthy and nutritious French fries at home in the air fryer. Let's start making them. So for this, all you're going to need is some potatoes. Try and get ones that aren't growing, and some oil. This is, I don't know, because I just refill the same bottle. Could be sunflower, could be peanut. Although you can use olive oil too if you want, I don't care. Just use some sort of oil, just not motor oil. Oh, and maybe some salt. So I've chosen a few potatoes here. I've gone for the longer, thinner ones because they're more French fry style. You can take the skin off, but why would you? Unless you got heaps of time on your hands. I'm actually too busy doing things with my hands, but you don't want to know what. So I'm going to leave the skin on. That's where all the nutrition is anyway. So what we need to do is just cut these into French fry bits. So I usually just go 4 down that way. And maybe 3 this way. Ah! It's not easy. I never said it was. Well, you can make them bigger if you want. You can make them more like wedges. Just cut them anyway. It's not a beauty pageant. Unless, of course, you're serving them up for a beauty pageant, in which case you might want them to look a little bit better than this. But, I mean, that's fine, just like that. Now, these potatoes are quite wet. And if you really want to, you can sort of just dry them off with a piece of paper towel or something. Just a little bit. Just to get rid of some of that excess moisture. But you don't have to. I'm just doing this just to show you that you can. Now, grab yourself a bowl and we'll pour the potatoes in. Now we'll grab the oil, and I just want to put like a little bit over there. Not too much. And if you really want to, you can add some salt already, if you want to. You don't have to, of course. You can add it later. But now I'm just going to toss it. But we just coat these in oil, pick the ones up that might have flown out. And now it's over to the air fryer. So, this is just the Kmart one, 69 bucks, mate. You can't go wrong. Now in the bottom, it's got the holes there and like things around the side so the air can circulate. And all we need to do is put the chips in there, stick this back in. So we'll hit the start button thing, 180 degrees. That's beautiful. Want to go up to 25, between 20 and 30 minutes actually. I just go the 25 minutes. And hit start. And in 25 minutes, they'll be ready. Now, you do have to come back like every 7 minutes or 8 minutes and just give it a shuffle. So 2 times, come back and just give it a shake. I'll show you when it's due. Alright, so this is saying 15 minutes. So it's been about 10 minutes. So just take this out. There's the fries. Just give it a shake around. Stick it back in. Should start on its own. And I'll just come back a bit later on when there's probably, I don't know, about 8 minutes to go. Give it another shake. Alright, well, there's about 8 minutes to go. So we just take this out again. You can see they're really starting to take shape. Give them another shake. Make sure there's none sticking to the bottom or anything like that. If they are, then be very careful. You shouldn't even be using your fingers. You should be like using something else. But I tell you what, it jiggles everything when you're doing this. Stick it back in. That's what she said. And when that's finished cooking, they should be ready. Well, at least I hope so. Now you can cook them a little bit longer if you want them really crispy. But hey mate, who's got time? I'm starving here. Alright, well the timer's gone off. Let's suss out these chips. Oh, have a look at them. Yumma. give them another shake, loosen them up. But there you go. There's some chips there. I mean, you could probably do another 5 minutes if you want to. But like I said, I'm starving. So let's put them on a plate and tuck on in for the old French fries made in an air fryer. Taste test. Alrighty, so what we need to do and remember is push this button down and take the center piece out, because there'll probably be some oil and things in here, which there doesn't seem to be a lot of, but you don't want to be pouring that on there and then adding extra oil. So let's pour our chips on. Remove any that didn't want to come out. There you go, some nice homemade French fries at home, on your own, no additives, no preservatives, but we will add some extra salt because, I mean, all chips need salt, don't they? I'd love to have some chicken salt. I'd be adding that if I had some. You might want a side of tomato sauce, maybe some sour cream as well, even though this is yogurt. Mate, all tastes the same to me. It's not flavoured yogurt, it's natural yogurt. Mate, and I quite like it. I put some on my pasta the other day. That's how crazy I am. Let's try one of these homemade French fries. Bit of natural yogurt. I can see everyone at home's faces cringing. With some dead horse. Come at me. Mate, it's so soft in the middle. Mate, if it wasn't burning my fingers to pick them up, I'd give it the old squeeze test. Look, here's a nice big thick one. See? Soft. I love these things. Now, if these aren't crispy enough for you, remember, just give them 5 more minutes. Give them half an hour. They'll be perfect. There you go, homemade French fries at home. I said home twice. And all you need is one of these air fryers. Mate, they're cheap as chips, unless you get the expensive one. Then they're pretty expensive, but they do the job and they do it real well. Anyway, that's all today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If it helped you out, remember to show it some thumb and love. If you want to see more air fryer things, hit that subscribe button, ring the bell, and if you don't, you can go to That's All Today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time I cook something. Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the